What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mercy Christine, and you was rocking with your girl. Let me tell y'all, I got the hibachi grill, so I'm about to grill, period. I got my chicken right here, and I got the steak. I got some vegetables in the house, and I got some rice, y'all. So we about to just see what to do. Don't judge me, because I may embarrass myself, but that's okay. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Okay, this is not a sponsored video, you know, but will be one day. So I got y'all real quick. We just gonna pour some of this on the grill. Boom. Don't listen, if it's too much, it was too much, y'all. Boom. Period. Okay, y'all see that? I did that. I did that. This is my chicken. I'ma just let the grill heat up just a little bit more. She is cracking up. I feel like I put too much oil now. But y'all always do too much oil when I'm cooking now. That's just the thing. Okay, we just go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, alright. All that, I can't do that. I can't do that. But we gonna get to the chicken, y'all. So I'ma just pick up a few pieces of chicken, how much I could pick, but I'ma just do 2. And I'm just gonna, you know? Y'all, I eat so much hibachi, like I'm not no pro chef, but the crazy thing, I don't even eat chicken. This for the family. Yup.
Look at it.
You don't need no. Y'all, I ain't even doing nothing, but it look like I'm doing something, okay? Just know that. And I'ma just put my steak right here. Cook that.
Cut it.
Yeah, I'ma flip it and I'ma cut it.
It's gonna cook fast.
It's gonna cook fast. Normally, y'all, you would be cooking rice right here, but your girl went to go get boiled rice, so. Just say.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
What I was not doing was getting fresh vegetables and cutting them up. I was not doing that today. I refuse to do that, so. Yo, don't look, get that down, look that. Just squeeze it on the chicken. I'm gonna just do a little bit on the steak because I'm an extra. Ooh, kind of. Ooh. I should have been cut it up. I forgot I was doing that. Ooh. Girl, I'm not no cutter. Then she gonna put me on the spot like that. it's cool, cause I'm gonna get better as time go on. I got somewhere to come cook. I'm not a good cutter, like, period. But this is the look, this is the raw meat, so you gonna get what you get, but the food still gonna be good. And that, it is what it is. You still recording? Oh.
They better know it.
See?
That's a good cutter right there.
That's a good cutter. I know they just be cutting it another way, but again, your girl is not a chef. I messed that one up.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. But we should wait. We don't really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
A little water.
That's hot.
No, that's not hot. Alright.
That was a good one. I like that's the most.
Well done. It's cooked. Do not judge a girl. I feel like y'all like, she don't use a scraper to cut the meat. I don't eat meat. But this is for Tally, y'all, so
It's for me, y'all.
tell me here.
Time for the rice.
Time for the rice. Give it.
Wait, only add soy sauce.
Period.
I like that. Come on, right there. Like Fuji. No, here.
Oh, y'all. Look. How they do it. And then they be like, I ain't gonna
up on this one for the long.
Oh yeah.
Y'all go wait with y'all will be baking good.
What's baking good?
Everything random stuff. Right there. Right there.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in with y'all girl Marissa Christine. You already know you rocking with me, okay? And this was cooking with me, okay? Alright, but I'll catch y'all next week.